Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be walking around a 1972 Chevelle. This is a Malibu car with a matching number 307 under the hood. It's also got power steering and front disc brakes. Decent little car. The test drive rode out great. In this video, we're going to be going over every flaw or anything that doesn't work, so you know exactly what you get when you get here. Go ahead and hit subscribe for daily content. Check out maplemotors.com for 100 detailed pictures, financing, shipping, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. We also have a frequently asked questions section on the page. So let's get started here. We're going to run down the lower portions and we'll work our way around this car. Front bumper's got some pitting popping up, light scratches around it. Bezels look pretty good here. Grill looks pretty good. Your lights on the corner have light cracking. Trim's a little bit blemished up too. Coming down this side of the car, see the paint's been repainted down in this area. A little bit of orange peel and wax left over. Coming over the trim, it's got a dent right here. Going down, see it has been worked there as well. All the way back, slight bubbling popping up in the corner there. Trim's got a little bit of wax left over on it, a couple little spots here and there. There's some rust right here, a couple bubbles popping up right in the corner. Coming back to midsection, looks like some wax left over. A couple wax spots here and there. Door handle on this one's got a little bit of pitting, not much. Middle of the door's got a couple little spots, touch-up marks. Spot right here as well. Coming over the top portion, you can see where it's been repainted. Orange peel, chips in the paint, some bubbles on the hood, some paint missing in the corner. Front windshield, decent shape. The trim around it a little bit scuffed up, a couple little dings. You can see the old glass. You can see the chips right there by the window. And it needs some trim put back on it. Couple little holes here from the trim, little pieces that need to be put back. Package tray is a little weak as well. Went over the top, you got a little bit of clear coat popping up, some little spots here and there. Okay, all right, let's go on to the other side here. I did notice a little bit of water in the trunk, and I believe it's from these. I mean, I could see the trunk through them, but I noticed it was a little bit wet in here. We had some severe thunderstorms roll through earlier this week, and you got these little pieces that are open on the ends here. It's gonna come right through. Checking out the package tray, a little bit of rust right here in the corner. Weather stripping looks new around the trunk. Trunk lid itself, not too bad. Coming down with it, shuts and locks easy. Corners over here, there's a couple bubbles popping up. You got some touch-up marks around the keyhole back here. Back bumper on this car, it's not bad looking, not in perfect condition. If you get real close, you can see on the edges it's got a few little nicks and scratches. The magnet tag we had for the test drive, we're missing one of the tips on the exhaust. Of course, you can get those pretty much anywhere. There was one missing. Might as well take that one off, really. Coming down this side, we're gonna shoot down the lower portion, come back to midsection, just like we did on the passenger side. Trim looks pretty good around the fender well. Coming down the lower portion here. Coming right up on the door, it's got a bubble popping right through on the corner of the door. Coming down this way, you can see some paint runs on the bottom. You also got a couple little bubbles trying to pop through the paint there on this front corner. Coming up over the fender. Not too bad. Midsection, I'm gonna stay on the back side because of my shadow. You got a chip there on the front of the nose. So far, midsection's not looking too bad. You got a spot right here in the paint. You got a weak spot here in the paint. Chip in the middle. Little wax left over there. Top here's got a little bit of a paint run. Little touch-up mark there. Couple chips up there by the window. Thin spot on the fender here from the paint. Looks like it was burned a little bit from a buffer. Little bubble popping up there. It's also got a little bit of clear coat coming up there as well. Okay, made it all the way around the ride. Let's go ahead and jump on the inside. We'll also get her started up and get you some undercarriage shots here in just a moment. As we open up the door, I noticed the seats are in pretty good condition. They're not all tore up. There's no tears. Oh, there's a little tear in the back seat there. I spoke too soon. Package tray's a little weak. Headliner's not bad except for these corners here need to be stretched out. Okay, my camera threw a fit on me. Let's look back under this door. Checking the underside of the door out. Coming up to the jambs. Carpet in this one is in great shape. We've already went over that. I had to run back inside. I got a little lost on my where I was at. So let's go ahead and check this dash out. Dash is got some cracks in the middle from the sun eating at it. Let's go ahead and start her up. Starts up pretty good. Couldn't get the air to cut on. I messed around with it. Blower motor is out. Radio is not cutting on as well, and the clock's not cutting on. Gas gauge does work on this one. Wipers do work on this one. Turn signal switch is broke. It's just loose. The left side does cut on, but it's very messed up there. Let's go ahead and try this horn out. Are y'all ready? It does work. There we go. Okay. Show you the mileage. Could be true. And let's cut on the brights. It's got a little light for the brights. Cool. Pretty quiet. Tail lights are on. And the headlights are on. There's the tranny cable you can hook up. Somebody unhooked it and left it that way. Okay. Decent looking car. Let's go ahead and shut down the hood here. I don't know what that noise was. It come from the inside of the grill there. I think it was the spring. Got a blemish right here on the nose. These I pointed out earlier, but I don't think you've seen that chip there in the corner. You also got a couple little spots in the middle of the hood. Some chips right there. And on the side of the hood right here. Okay, we've made it all the way around this ride. We're gonna go ahead and go back inside. I'm gonna put all these videos together for you. Definitely check out maplemotors.com for the 100 detailed pictures. I got undercarriage shots. I've got undercarriage shots on the test drive video. Once you've seen all this information, you'll know everything about these cars. That's why I do these videos. And if you hit subscribe, you can also hit the notification bell up in the corner, and it'll let you know every time I post a car. For now, let's get some undercarriage shots, and I'll head on back in the lot and put this video together. I do appreciate you watching. Please share this video. That helps us out quite a bit. Also hit that like button. And word of mouth is the best, so tell your friends. I'm gonna go over here and grab another car, do another walk around and a test drive. So be looking for the next video coming out. I'll see you later, guys.